Hey friends, I just built a free SEO tool and I'm thrilled to tell you all about it. What the tool does is it analyzes the search results and it tells you how often you should be updating your content if you want to rank in those search results. And so this is a concept called Freshness Distance, originally put forth by the brilliant Ross Hudgens. Thanks, Ross. The idea is this, I'm going to show you in the search results here. So let's say I'm writing an article or I'm updating an article that I want to rank for best laptops 2025. Well, I'm like, how often do I need to update that content if I want to stay in the search results? Well, Google will kind of tell you, because you will see that this article was written 6 days ago. This one here was written January 31st. So you really get a sense of like how fresh these articles are. So if your article was written 5 months ago, probably not gonna rank because Google wants to rank fresh content. Well, the tool will do all the work for you. All you have to do is put in your keyword, press calculate, and you're gonna see how often you need to update your content. So it's loading. All right, got results. So basically the freshest article was from Forbes 1 day ago. They probably update their article like every 35 seconds just to try and keep it ranking. And then the oldest one that's ranking in the top 20 is 3 months ago from Mashable. And so how often should you update your content? Well, the average is 20 days. So if you average all of the dates in the search results, every 20 days you should update your content. Here's the results. You can actually see them here. I can check this box to say, like, only show me the ones that have dates. I can sort by the dates and see how new these are. Uncheck that. Sort back by rank. So the table is really great. You can click on any of these to jump over to the sites. You can always see Reddit ranking, that's for sure. You can even export the results to CSV, and when you export them, it's also going to include the description from the search results as well. So I actually built this whole thing like using an AI thing called Cursor, and it was a lot harder than I expected it to be. It took me a lot longer, and Cursor kept deleting my code, and it was a nightmare. So I don't really recommend it, but I will tell you that there were some things that it was able to do that were just phenomenal. I uploaded a graphic that I just pulled out from Google Images, and I said, please wrap this software in a cool retro 80s video game design inspired by the attached image. So I uploaded the image, and then like it spit out the CSS file that basically made it look like this. No notes. I was like, man, you nailed it. I could not believe how good that was. And I also used the AI to add little fun details. So I don't know if you know what the Konami code is. Konami code is a sequence you would put into retro games, and that would give you like little secret cheat codes and stuff like that. So this has a secret cheat code. Actually has 5 different ones. So I'm gonna do it right now. Let's see. Up, up, down, down, left, right, beat A. So anyways, I made you this awesome tool. It's pretty great at what it does. It'll just tell you how often you need to update your content. So I hope you use it. I hope you love it. Leave a comment and I would happily answer your comments, any questions you have, and see you next time.